Okay, there's a question on how to make a bookmark in particular page in PDF file. Now, I assume because these comments are under my OneNote videos, right? So I'm going to show you in this video on how to actually bookmark, yeah, or tag the PDF file so that you can search the content of your PDF files easily. Let me just bring in a PDF file right over here. Let me just bring a sample file. So I just drag and drop a PDF file. Okay. Now it will ask you to insert, print out, or attach file. Attach file basically just attach a file like this, right? So that you can just open it. Now this is not what we want. Yeah. Just let me delete it off. Right. Let me attach it again. Just drop it over here and then insert print out because it will print out all the pages, right? So this will be all the pages in that particular PDF file. Yeah. So let me just zoom it smaller so easier for us to see. Okay, let me just put it on 50%, right? So these are all the pages. So let me see here. Let's say, for example, okay, I want to tag on this page. So it's very simple. Just go to your home and then select the tag. Yeah. So this is, let's say, for example, this is an idea, right? I like this and then I want idea, or I can just click this for remember for later. Yeah. So now what I'm going to do is that I just going to put this as an idea. Click here and it has these small icons right over here. You will just zoom it bigger. Okay, you see this idea right over here. So once I have that, so I can just go back and search here on the tag, right? So I can search by a tag name or if for these particular areas. Yeah. Now this is for this section, yeah, or this page group, or you can choose all that, yeah, or whole notebook. So all those things that you, let's say this section, okay, I have this because this is just a demo inbox section, and so far there's only one with a tag of ideas, so which come from this page only, right? If not, then you can come up with only for this page group, right? So the page group means that you can select this under a group. Okay, you can just group it something like this, right? So this is called a page group. So now you can see here the idea. Then you can click here. It will go to that particular areas. Okay, so that will be easily for you to tag your PDF file. Now, of course, if you want, what you can do is, let's say, for example, I have this. You can just put in any, let's say, for example, questions, right? If I have questions on this, I can put in here all the comments and I can just highlight this, right? I can highlight this and then I can go to the tag and then I can, hey, maybe I want to remember for later, all right? Or if I put this as question, also can. So I put this as question, it automatically see highlights for you. So later, if you go in here to search, you can search it right over here. Yeah. Search the tag name and so on. Refresh the result. Okay. Remember for later, see the tags are here, not the image. Yeah. So if you want to go to PDF file, all right, that particular page, what you can do is to do that. But if you have a comments, right, just type a text beside that. He will do the same thing. Let's say I'm here. I can click here. Boom, it will just go directly to this particular page. Yeah. So this is a way how you want to tag the PDF file. Of course, if you just want to use the Adobe to tag the directly in a PDF file itself, you can use Adobe Reader, right, to do that, Acrobat Reader, right, to do that for you as well. Okay, so if you guys like this video, do give us a thumbs up. And you would like to learn more about how to improve your work productivity, Do subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish new content, you'll be notified. By the way, I'm Andrew. I'll see you real soon in my next video.